Hey guys, it's Susie and
Me, Dylan.
Dylan, yeah, and we are in his room because he's getting a room makeover and we are making a bed tint canopy to hang over his bed. So let's make it.
Hey. Oh!
Now before we get on to the fun part of building the tent, I'm going to show you guys how to make the fabric for the tent canopy, and I'm using two 84-inch curtains, and all I'm going to do is sew the two together, and I'm going to cut off the top part of the curtain where it strands onto the curtain rod. I'm just going to do that on one curtain. That way I can actually use one of the loops to hook onto the tent rod. Cool. So I'm cutting off the top of just one of the curtains. And I'm going to take those two edges and do a straight stitch right along the edge on the sewing machine. And really, that's all there is to it. Now we have a tent canopy for our bed.